Hey everyone, I just wanted to let you know that I have this uncle who thinks he's so smart. He thinks he knows everything, and he might be a very intelligent man, but there is one thing that he is wrong about, at least one thing. I don't know of the others, but I do know beyond a shadow of a doubt he is 100% wrong about one topic at least, and that topic is alcohol related. And in our family, you can't be wrong about this, particularly when it comes to a Lemondrop Martini. So I have this recipe, and without bias and prejudice, of course, it is the world's best Lemondrop Martini recipe. And he swears to me that I am using a key ingredient that should not belong in a Lemondrop Martini. Clearly, I think he's wrong. I'm willing to accept there might be a slight possibility that I'm wrong. I highly doubt it, but I might be willing to accept it. So I decided to devise a foolproof experiment. Foolproof. I know this is not how you make a lemon drop. Clearly I would fail this test if this is how I made a lemon drop, but I'm not ready to make them yet. So hold on, hold your horses. It's not 5 o'clock yet. Apparently that's the time before we judge. Anyway, I looked up the best recipe, highest rated, most number of stars, most reviews for a Lemondrop Martini that does not include simple syrup. So I'm gonna pair that against my amazing tried and true recipe that has yet to fail me. So I'm going to get together with some girls tonight and we are going to try this recipe. In the meantime, I need to make the simple syrup to have it ready. I need to get it in the fridge so that it can start cooling down and be ready to go. So really simple to make simple syrup. Equal parts water, sugar. You put them together or put it in the microwave for a minute, minute and a half. Let it dissolve, stir it up, throw it in the fridge and let it cool off. That's it. So now I'm gonna get started making the one that I found that's the highest rated that does not include simple syrup. This is the way my uncle, bless his heart, thinks that you should make a lemon drop. So like I said, we are going to figure this out. So because I am tripling this recipe, I will tell you that the single serve portion is 3/4 of an ounce of lemon, fresh squeezed lemon, but because I'm tripling it, I've got 2 1/4 ounces right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump that in. Maybe a seed might choke them. I'm just kidding, totally kidding. So then it is also going to call for 1 1/2 ounces of vodka per serving. Again, I am tripling this, so it's gonna be 4 1/2 ounces. This is just a, it's called Star Blue vodka. It's pretty decent. It's, okay, we buy this one frequently because it's got a really good price point, but also it's distilled 5 times. And for me, vodka, I never drink it straight. It's not one of those things you just drink. It's always mixed with something. So for me, with vodka, there's other liquors I'll buy the high end for, and I'm not saying this one isn't. Well, it's not high end because the price, but it's still good quality. So don't make fun of my vodka choice here. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna do 4 1/2 ounces, and that'll be for our 3 servings. So there's 2. Four 4 1/2. Okay, now it calls for triple sec to be 1/2 ounce per serving. Again, we're tripling it, so we're gonna do the 1 1/2 ounces of triple sec. I know who has this large of triple sec at their home. Somebody that drinks a lot of lemon drops. I actually don't drink a lot of lemon drops. It's just that when they're in season, when lemons are in season here, my favorite lemon drop is to make it with a Meyer lemon, which is a hybrid of a mandarin and a lemon. They are so good. They don't last long. They have a thinner peel. Is that the word I'm looking for? It's a softer. It reminds me like of a tangerine, like a really soft shell. But they're so good. They're a little less acidic than a regular lemon, which is why I like them. It cuts down on the really tartness of the lemon drop, but you still get that enough of a kick that you know that's what you're having. So really that's it. Just the 3 ingredients that makes the non-simple syrup Lemondrop Martini recipe. So typically I would add ice to this and shake it and pour them in the glass, but because I'm going to take these with me to our little get together, I don't want to add the ice and shake it now because it'll water it down. So my recipe calls for 1 lemon per Lemondrop Martini. So I just went ahead and squeezed 3 lemons into this cup, and it ended up being 3/4 of an ounce more lemon juice than the other recipe without simple syrup. So we'll see how that ends up with flavor wise, if it makes it better, worse, whatever. I feel like it's gonna be better. I mean, I'm just saying, but we'll see. So, okay, so my recipe will also call for 1.5 ounces of vodka. So the vodka is actually the same as the other recipe. Since I'm doubling it, I'm gonna do 4.5 ounces. So there's 2. Aren't these little measuring cups so cute? 4 and a half. Okay. And then I am going to add my triple sec, which is 3/4 of an ounce. So with the other recipe, it was 1/2 ounce per serving. So this one's 3/4 of an ounce. And so that is going to make it 2.25 ounces of triple sec for our 3 servings. And then for my simple syrup, I am going to need the same. I'm going to need 3/4 of an ounce per serving, so 2.25 total. Let me go ahead and put the 1/4 in there. Okay, so there we go. So now it's together. I'm just going to put these in some containers so that I can travel with them. I'll mark them A and B. So once I get there and I get them shaken up, and we'll serve them up and we will see what they think. All right, wish this one luck, because I feel like it, oh yeah. Oh, I can tell by just pure smell alone. I've already won this. So listen, Mr. Fancy Pants Uncle, if you just want to concede now and just know I'm the winning Lemondrop recipe champion. If you want to do that, we can just cut this off now. Save you the embarrassment. I'd rather not though. I'd rather give you that embarrassment. So we'll see you when we get together with the ladies. So I'll be back. Okay, so here we are with the masters of alcohol. They're gonna know what's up. So they don't know which one is which. I know what the winner is gonna be, but we're gonna go ahead and try the first row here and decide. Okay. You can say whatever you want to say about it, and then we'll take the second one. You can tell me which one you like better.
Okay. If it's disgusting, can I spit it out?
Yes.
Oh, all right.
Okay.
Cheers. Cheers.
Don't mind our fancy glasses.
You do it all in one.
I know.
You did call me a master.
I did call you a master.
I'm not caring for this one.
But I'm gonna finish it because
it.
no alcohol should ever go to waste.
That's true. She is a master. I told you this. Okay. So she likes it.
Yeah, she's a huge fan.
Exhibit A. This is what we're thinking on this one. All right.
No.
Okay.
Totally bad in there.
To number 2.
Number 2.
Oh, my bad.
Wait, do I have to drink it sideways or drink it sideways?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just do this.
I know
Oh,
which
I
is
like
which.
this one.
And
Have a
You do?
napkin. Have a napkin. Can I have a napkin?
No.
Actually, I
My
do.
mouth is dripping.
I just want
drank
to
it wrong. Thank you.
This
So was that
is
you spitting it out?
delicious.
No.
Yes.
Delicious.
The
I was
second
trying
one,
to like not reveal yet what's what, but this is
How did
by
you
far
know?
way better because it's
way
sweeter.
better.
Sweeter.
It's got a little.
Way better.
This is
It tastes
harsh.
like fresh lemon then.
However, as far as a martini goes, I see what he's saying, but
Dang
No,
it.
don't be on his side.
I like this way better.
Way better.
Way better.
Way better.
He
There's
is not a
nothing
master.
And I
secret.
don't know. I think a lemon drop martini is not really supposed to be a true martini. Otherwise, it wouldn't have lemon.
And it wouldn't have the
triple
sugar
sec,
rim.
It wouldn't have the sugar. I don't think it's. I think it's supposed to be. An
Can I have
enjoyable
another one?
cocktail. Yes. See, which one though? The first one or the
The
second?
second one that went all over my shirt.
Sorry, Mr. Smarty Pants, you lose according to all of us. 4 out of 4 recommend
Sorry.
simple syrup.
Love
Sorry.
you.
Not a
sorry.
master.
Love you.
Master.
I say